And schools from across the region faced off in a competition this weekend. KPVI journalist Cade Garner tells us what makes this competition unique.
One of the problems with these is you have to hold them.
8 Eastern Idaho schools gathered together to compete at the
Idaho Exhibition of Ideas, which is a 3D printing and manufacturing design competition for students.
Students had to come up with an idea to help people who have hearing or sight impairment. One group of students competing was the Scribbled Mushrooms from Madison Junior High.
So what we made is a bookmark that has a magnification lens and a sliding mechanism on it, which allows you to leave it on the exact line you were on while you were reading.
That bookmark was a team collaboration and took time to create.
Our ruler took us about 2, maybe 3 weeks to perfect it.
During those weeks of labor, students not only had to come up with an idea that would improve the lives of its users, but had to create a website for the product as well.
I was not part of that. I built their website, so I enjoyed the process of making the website.
All that collaboration as a team eventually paid off.
One of my favorite parts was like putting it all together and seeing it come together and seeing the final product.
All the competing teams had a similar experience watching their finished products come to be. And that's part of the reason the competition exists.
3D printing is scalable to the classroom, and it allows students to have sort of a tangible material to create, to apply their learning, and to bring new life to potential future careers.
In Idaho Falls, Cade Garner, KPVI News That Works for You.
Competition judges looked for skill and creativity in the students' use of scientific method for design, creative solutions, and dedication to solving real-world problems and interdisciplinary approaches to doing so.